I'll be walking you through how to upload a video on Squarespace 7.1. Navigate to the page where you want to add the video, then click the Edit button in the top left corner. The page will enter edit mode and you'll see editable sections with an add block option. Hover over the section where you want your video and click the plus button that appears. This opens a block menu showing different content options. Click Video. A new video block gets inserted into your page. Click the pencil icon on the video block to open the block editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a plus button. Click that, then select Upload File. Your computer's file browser will open. Select the video file you want to upload from your computer. Squarespace supports MP4, M4V, and MOV files up to 500 megabytes. Once you've selected your file, wait for it to finish uploading. Squarespace will process the video and convert it automatically. You'll see a preview appear in the block once it's done. After the video loads, you can customize settings in the block editor. You'll see options for mute video, autoplay, loop, and player controls. Autoplay requires the video to be muted first, so if you want it to start playing automatically, tick mute video first, then enable autoplay. Player controls can be set to all, minimal, or none. If you want to add a custom featured image that displays before the video plays, click the plus button in the featured image section. You can upload an image, reuse one you've already uploaded, or choose a stock image. The image will automatically crop to 16:9 to match the video player. To add a caption that appears below the video, click where it says Add Description here in the description field and type your text. When you're finished, click anywhere outside the block editor. Your changes save automatically. Then, click Save at the top of the page to publish your changes to the live site. Any video you upload gets saved to your asset library automatically, so you can reuse it on other pages without uploading again. Also worth knowing, Squarespace's video player uses a 16:9 aspect ratio, so if your video has a different ratio, you'll see black bars or blank space around it. That's it, you're all set to start adding videos to your Squarespace site.